Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set your Canon printer to print in black, white, or grayscale by default on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for Control Panel. The best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by up in the top right, the category view, and then select Hardware and Sound. Select underneath Devices and Printers where it says Advanced Printer Setup. Select your Canon printer from this list, and then you want to select where it says Printing Preferences. On this page, it may look different depending on what Canon printer you have, but there should be options on here, or there might be another tab that says page settings or page quality. There might be different tabs, again, depending on your specific Canon printer. But there should be an option that says either black and white printing or grayscale printing, in which case you want to check mark that option. And then there would be something that says always print with current settings. You can select that option in here as well if you want to further customize it. And select apply and then OK. And then OK again. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.